Hello everyone, my name is Jordan and today we're going to discuss Kiwi Franc. I am looking for sales guys and the reason is pretty simple. Starting from the daily chart, as you can see, actually let's go ahead and cover weekly very quickly. Weekly chart, hidden divergence, beautiful trend developing to the downside, and this is where the hidden divergence was completed on the daily chart. Okay, so this is basically where we got the divergence, this is where we got the breakout, and you can see what happened afterwards. Classical setup. Now during the pullback, because this is what the convergence means, right? We get a breakout, we're waiting for pullbacks and then continuations. The pullback is now delivered and we can again spot hidden bearish divergence on the daily chart, which means we're supposed to drop down to the lower time frames in order to confirm this divergence, and guess what? We are able to confirm it. Now there is something that reminds Head and Shoulders here, not a classical one, not exactly what I'm looking for, basically because of the horizontal length of the shoulders here, but still absolutely acceptable for trading. The high here is holding. Obviously the momentum is dropping, which means we're under bearish pressure. In other words, to make it short, I'm looking for breakouts below 66.70, okay, and once we get the breakout below here, I'm expecting for this thing to drop lower. So if you have any questions, please leave your comments below and I'll be happy to reply. Have a wonderful day.